How to change your password in Adobe Firefly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon, and here on the top, tap on Manage Account. So now we're in this settings interface. Here, you can find different options and even customize it. Here, slowly scroll down. Here there's a section called Set Password. Simply tap on Set Password. Now it will take some time. So this is the place where you can enter a new password. Here simply enter the password that you want to change. Now make sure you don't forget it, and later you'll be using the same password. Now enter the password and at last tap on Update, and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.